I'm Sagar Patil. I studied IT at CSE and IT department from KIT's College of Engineering. Right after I graduated in 2011, I started a web development agency which helped startups to Fortune 500 companies develop their mobile applications, websites, and help them with online marketing. My second startup was Resi, which was a venture capital backed startup. We raised more than $1 million. The company was later acquired by Indigo, which is backed by TripAdvisor. It was a successful exit and we really enjoyed working on it. Currently, I manage SSL Solutions, a company which focuses on website security. Our product SSL Zen is currently used by more than 30,000 websites globally. What sets the IT apart from other colleges is the huge, lush campus amidst scenic mountains. Speaking specifically about CSE and IT department, they have a huge computer lab with state-of-the-art hardware and software. We were really fortunate to have good teachers who had a lot of experience in their respective areas. This helped us to form the basic foundation on which we built our own knowledge. The department also invites a lot of people from the tech industry to share their first-hand knowledge with you. You'll also be surrounded by a lot of smart people from whom you can learn a lot. KIT also organizes Pioneer, a national level technical event where students present their technical papers, showcase their projects and participate in coding competitions. So you'll have a lot of fun attending such events. In our final year of engineering, I along with 3 other students participated in an international competition organized by Oracle. To everyone's surprise, we won that competition and we were invited to San Francisco for a week's time where we learned a lot from the people at Oracle as well as some other 50 students who came from more than 20 countries. So I would definitely recommend participating in extracurricular activities that will help you a lot. The 4 years that you spend at KIT will be life-changing personally and academically. You learn a lot from your teachers as well as other students, and it will help you become a responsible engineer and a citizen. So here's to your success. Thank you.